Hello and welcome. Today is the last day for filing of nominations for the Vice President elections, and NDA's Vice Presidential nominee Venkaiah Naidu earlier filed his nomination papers. The opposition candidate, Mr. Gopal Krishna Gandhi, is also there at the Parliament House. He is going to file his nomination papers now.
आपको फॉर्म देना मैं इधर बैठना पड़ेगा क्योंकि फॉर्म बैठ जाइए
सर थोड़ा आप बैठ जाइए।
एक कुर्सी और
दादा पीछे थोड़ा सा सर पीछे मैं देख नहीं पा रहा। दादा पीछे थोड़ा सा
सर थोड़ा कैमरा हटाओ, थोड़ा सा लो, एक बार ले लो।
All right, so live visuals we are getting from Parliament House, where Gopal Krishna Gandhi, the joint opposition candidate for the post of Vice President, is filing his nomination papers today. Remember, today is the last date for doing so, and he's doing this in the presence of top leaders, including Congress President Sonia Gandhi, as well as Rahul Gandhi and former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. Mr. Gandhi is also being accompanied by the top opposition leaders, including JDU's Mr. Sharad Yadav and those of the Left Party, Mr. Sitaram Yechuri, as well as the TMC's Derek O'Brien. Now, Mr. Gopal Krishna Gandhi was to file his nomination papers on Monday, but it was delayed by a day in view of the presidential election yesterday. Remember, the name of Mr. Gandhi, the former West Bengal governor, was approved unanimously at a meeting of 18 opposition parties that was chaired by Congress President Sonia Gandhi. This meeting took place on 11th of July, and it was also, remember, attended by the JDU. Now, this is significant because JDU had earlier broken ranks with the opposition on the presidential election and had decided to support ruling NDA's nominee, Mr. Ramnath Kovind. So, these are the live visuals that Rajya Sabha TV is getting you. These are the exclusive Rajya Sabha TV visuals we are getting from inside the Parliament House, where the filing of nomination is taking place for the vice presidential election. Remember, earlier NDA's vice presidential nominee, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, also earlier filed his nomination papers, and then he was flanked by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as well as External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj, and also other BJP leaders, including Mr. Amit Shah, Murli Manohar Joshi, and Mr. Advani. So formal proceedings really taking place. The procedural issues are really that have to be completed. The formalities that really need to be completed is the last day for the filing of nominations today. And on the last day of filing of nomination, both the NDA's vice presidential nominee, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, as well as the opposition's vice presidential nominee, Mr. Gopal Krishna Gandhi, are filing their nomination papers. A short while back, we saw Mr. Naidu filing his nomination papers, and these are the live visuals that we are getting from Parliament House, where Mr. Gopal Krishna Gandhi is filing his nomination papers. All right, live visuals we are getting from Parliament House complex where Mahatma Gandhi's grandson, Mr. Gopal Krishna Devdas Gandhi, the opposition's nominee for the vice president post, is filing his nomination papers. Now, he has been a former bureaucrat as well as a diplomat. Now, his paternal grandfather was the Mahatma, and the maternal grandfather was India's last Governor General C. Gopal Chari. Now, the 71-year-old was a former ambassador as well as a secretary to late President of India, Mr. K.R. Narayanan. He was the governor of West Bengal from 2004 to 2009. The retired IAS officer of the Tamil Nadu cadre, he served as India's High Commissioner to South Africa, Sri Lanka, and an ambassador to Norway and Iceland. He's been congratulated now after filing his nomination papers. He has held academic posts in bodies such as the Indian Institute of Advanced Studies in Shimla.
चलाएंगे तो चलेगा नहीं तो
All right, live visuals are from Parliament House, where we saw the opposition's Vice President. Both the candidates really for the vice presidential polls today filing their nomination papers. Earlier we saw Mr. Naidu, the NDA candidate, filing his nomination papers, and just a little while back we saw opposition candidate Mr. Gopal Krishna Gandhi filing his nomination papers. Remember, all this happening in the last year for nominations for the vice president polls. Remember, while former Union Minister and a veteran politician Mr. Naidu was nominated by BJP yesterday, Mr. Gandhi's name was approved unanimously at a meeting of the 18 opposition parties, which was chaired by Congress President Sonia Gandhi. So these were the visuals when Mr. Naidu filed his nomination papers a little while back. He was flanked by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Minister Sushma Swaraj, as well as other top BJP leaders, including BJP President Amit Shah, as well as senior veteran leaders Mr. L.K. Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi. So the vice presidential election is scheduled to be held on 5th of August. Remember, the Vice President of India is selected by an electoral college of 790 parliamentarians from both the houses of parliament. So these were the visuals that we were getting live from Parliament House complex. Today is the last day for the filing of nomination papers. And on the last day of nomination, we saw both the candidates, the opposition candidate as well as the NDA's vice presidential nominee for Vice President, Mr. Naidu, filing his nomination papers today. Being congratulated by the leaders, the senior leaders of the NDA. He was also earlier congratulated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as soon as he filed his nomination papers. All right, my colleague Vishal Daya is joining us live from Parliament. Vishal, so all the formalities, all the procedural work is done, and nation really all geared up for the 5th of August vice presidential election now.
Well, yes, indeed, both the candidates have now filed their nominations. First, we saw NDA's vice presidential nominee M. Venkaiah Naidu filing his nomination papers in front of the returning officer, who is Rajya Sabha's Secretary General. And then, just a short while back, it was the turn of opposition candidate Gopal Krishna Gandhi. He is the grandson of father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He is a former bureaucrat, diplomat. He was also the governor of West Bengal for 5 long years. So he also holds a lot of experience, and then along with all the opposition leaders, senior leaders, just like M. Venkaiah Naidu was flanked by the senior leaders of the NDA, the vice presidential nominee for the opposition, Gopal Krishna Gandhi, was indeed flanked by all the senior leaders of the opposition, including the ex-Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, Congress President, Congress Vice President, CPM's Secretary General, General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri, and TMC leaders and several other parties leaders of several other parties were also present there. So clearly, the stage is all set now. Both the candidates have filed their nomination. Tomorrow the scrutiny will happen, and then finally the election will take place on 5th of August, wherein the Electoral College, which consists of the members of parliament of both houses, that's Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, totaling in number 790, will cast their votes to elect the next Vice President of India, whom we'll get to know on the 5th evening itself, when the counting of votes will take place. And then the next Vice President of India will take over on 11th of August, because the term of the current incumbent, Muhammad Hamid Ansari, comes to an end on 10th itself.
Absolutely. And Vishal, as far as, the events really leading up to the filing of nomination today, we saw the The name of Mr. Naidu coming up, while Mr. Gandhi's name by the opposition came much earlier. Mr. Naidu's the name of Mr. Naidu was kind of surprise, and not many people were guessing as well, because there was an element of surprise as far as the presidential nominee of NDA is concerned as well. So those were interesting moments when this name was announced.
Well, in fact, Aishwarya, the announcement of M. Venkaiah Naidu as the vice presidential candidate by the NDA was not that much of a surprise as the announcement of the presidential candidate Ramnath Kovind.
Yes.
Mr. Naidu's name was doing rounds in the past few weeks, but then as the practice has been in the BJP and the NDA that the final call is taken by the parliamentary board, and then the NDA allies are consulted. So, in fact, just a few hours before that parliamentary board meeting took place yesterday evening at BJP's headquarters, wherein all the senior leaders of the BJP, including the Prime Minister and the BJP President, were present. His name was doing the rounds, but it was sort of still in the realm of speculation, because there was no official statement which was coming in. All that speculation was put to rest yesterday by the BJP President Amit Shah when he announced the candidature of M. Venkaiah Naidu. He's got a very detailed and a very profile and experience in terms of politics, in terms of legislative experience. He has been held all kind of posts in the party, including the party president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He has been a member of Legislative Assembly, a speaker of a leader of the party in the Legislative Assembly. He has been a member of Rajya Sabha for quite a few terms now. He's been in the ministry of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and he has been a union minister since 2014 when NDA came to power, led by Prime Minister Modi. He's so held all kind of portfolios, all kind of responsibilities. So clearly, BJP's and NDA's search for a candidate who has that legislative experience as well as political experience seems to have come to an end with M. Venkaiah Naidu, and he has now filed his nomination papers for the post of Vice President.
All right, Vishal, thank you so much for all those updates from Parliament. So on the last day of filing of nominations for the Vice President of India polls, we saw both the NDA candidate, Mr. M. Venkaiah Naidu, as well as the opposition candidate, Mr. Gopal Krishna Gandhi, both of them today filing their nomination papers. While Mr. Naidu, who's been a former union minister as well as a veteran politician, he was nominated by BJP yesterday evening. We saw Mr. Gandhi's name, who was approved unanimously at a meeting of 18 opposition parties, which was also included by JDU. And this meeting was chaired by Congress President Sonia Gandhi. There, his name was decided upon. And the vice presidential election is scheduled to be held on 5th of August. Of course, that is one big story that we'll keep tracking through the day. But we'll take a very short break here. We'll be back with more news. Stay tuned.